Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. We wanted to talk to you about the nozzle on the Hydroblast. This is a high pressure parts washer with heat. It's going to put out say 1200 psi at the gun, but you can use the nozzle to do a fan spray or a jet spray. You can also push the nozzle out to make it have higher pressure and pull it in to make it a lower pressure. So this is something that's going to be very beneficial when you are blasting before and after. Also getting abrasive out of the inside of your part, because the jet spray is going to get into all of those passageways and it's going to help you get all of that abrasive out. Give us a call if you have any questions. It's 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.